Hello everyone. Meet our two new family members. We have named the blue male one Neil and the green female one Sage. Last night, Neil and Sage said goodbye to their previous owners. We brought them to our home last night. These are cute little Budgies bird from Australia. It was -6 degrees yesterday, so we were hurrying up to the home because we were told that they don't like cold weather. We found a nice corner spot to put them so that they can feel safe. For now, we have put them in the bedroom because the living room is very cold. Hello. Welcome to our home. Hello. Are you both sleepy? Are you both sleepy? I'll see you tomorrow morning. Okay? Good night. They were very quiet throughout the night, so I think they had a good rest. My daughter was very excited to greet Neil and Sage in the morning. Fed them spinach in the morning, and Neil ate right away, but Sage was a bit shy. I haven't seen her eating anything yet. I'm really worried. Neil seems very active and it sometimes pecks Sage on its beak. I don't know whether that's part of their nature or they're fighting or they're just playing, but I really don't want them to fight. Oh, thanks for watching.